What is going on, YouTube? We got two new boxes today. We got one from Shumi Nation, which is his Mysterious Box I got a couple weeks ago, and I also got one from my buddy Jedha Patrol. Let's get started. Alright guys, so as I said, I got two boxes in today. I got one from Shumi Nation. You know, if you guys don't know Shumi, you know, he offers a great service. He has a mystery box, which is always a common pop, but you also get a chance to get entire complete sets within the box. So you could be like a standard pop in here, but you could have a piece of paper that says winner, winner, chicken dinner, and you end up getting an entire set. So definitely a fun mystery box to open. So like I said, we start with this one, and then we'll follow into the one I got from my buddy Jedha. I'm just gonna pop this right open. And hope you guys are having a good day today. Hope everything's going well. Only a couple more days before NYCC, so time to get ready for that hype. Also time to get ready for the mega stream. If you're not going to be there, I'm not sure. You better have a good reason not to be there. It's going to be awesome. 2 days of streaming with my buddy Jedha Patrol. I'll be there moderating, helping out all I can both nights, Wednesday the 3rd and Thursday the 4th. Definitely on Thursday night, we're going to go all the way until late night, trying to wait for those drops to kick online. So anyway, without further ado, as always, Shumi does a great job packing. So we're just gonna pop this right out. I don't see any paper yet, so it doesn't look like I got a chicken dinner this go around, but you never know. Let's see what we got. All right, I can do with this one. This is the this one right here is the Werewolf 8-bit from Altered Beast. I remember this one from when I was younger. It was if I'm mistaken, it was a game. I'm not 100%, but I have seen it around. It's the one I do know they have a exclusive version from GameStop, which is a lighter colored. So now that I have this one, I guess I'll probably end up picking this one up. But you know, you really can't complain because you get this really nice 0.5 protector, and I mean, how can you really beat that for 15 bucks? So with shipping, so not a bad thing to have to add to the collection. Next up, I got one from my buddy Jedha, and he actually picked this one up for me during one of his live streams about 3 weeks ago now, I think. And it's finishing up a collection, or not a collection, but something I've been trying to finish up. And I've tried to order it online, and the order got canceled. So luckily, like a couple days after he was streaming, I'm like, hey, I need that one. So he was nice enough to pick it up for me and send it to me. So let's just pop this open, see what we got. Sure, he did a great job packing this because, you know, luckily I don't think he follows his how to ship a pop video very well, his own video, so I'm really thankful for that. But you know, luckily it looks like this one came in really good shape, even in a pop protector. How about that? Thank you, man, I appreciate that. But what we got is the Zero Jack Skellington. So now I have the Zero Jack, I have the Sugar Skull Jack, and the Diamond Collection Jack that all recently came out, and Jedha was actually nice enough to send this in a pop protector for me. So now I have almost the entire collection of this set. The only thing I'm still missing and I haven't been able to find yet is the Oogie Boogie and the Vampire Teddy. So we'll get there. I mean, I went looking today. I didn't really see any Night Before Christmas pops, but I did find a few more that I'm going to show in a later video, probably in a couple days. But anyway, guys, I appreciate you stopping by. I hope you had fun. And as always, like, comment, subscribe, and you do you.